All right, guys, the next test is hip internal rotation. Does Jeremy have enough motion in his hip? And so this is a nice, easy little test. We're gonna sit on a box. We want hip and knee about similar height. If you're on a super high box, don't let that foot hang down too far. So nice level. He's gonna bring knees just slightly closer together, and then he's gonna turn this foot out. So what we're paying attention to is this angle right here. He should be able to rotate it up to 45 degrees. If he falls super short of that, he can only get to here. Then we know we're stiff in the hip. We need to fix our hip internal rotation. Make sure you test both sides. All right, guys, so this stretch is if you failed the hip internal rotation test on the box. I love to use a band for this one. This is really nice too to help get the hips moving a little better for any type of squatting activity in your workouts. So you take the band, hook it down pretty low to the rig. You're gonna step into it with the side we're trying to stretch. And then I'm gonna walk it out to get a good strong stretch on that band. So I'm in a half kneeling position. I'm gonna post on the hand here. This part's really important. I want you to think about trying to relax the hip as much as possible. Allow the band to pull or stretch it back towards the rig. Almost imagine you want the hip to be slightly pulled out of socket. Not actually gonna happen, but try to relax it that amount. And then all we're gonna do is take our hand and we're gonna pull it across midline and pause. So what I really like to do is push in, hold 5 to 8 seconds, let it come out. You can even squeeze that butt to push the knee out and then repeat. Make sure you keep that hip as relaxed as possible. My suggestion is at least 10 to 15 reps of that and then retest your hip internal rotation at the box.